Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a parole revocation hearing. The offender is facing new allegations of domestic battery and has unpaid supervision fees. He claims innocence and at one point said his good looks should prove he wouldn't need to commit such an act. Ugh, the disgust. With each board member weighing in, we're about to witness the tough reality of parole hearings and how quickly things can turn. Will he walk out or face revocation? Let's dive in and find out.
All right. We start again. The parole boards could be called to order at 9:10. My name is Pete Freeman. Serving with me today is going to be Mr. Prater and Ms. Renatza. Would staff at headquarters introduce itself?
Sure.
Okay. Would staff at Caddo introduce yourself? Do you have any staff?
Deputy Davis, classification.
Deputy Lawson, classifications.
Captain Herring, over security.
All right. Okay, today we're here for Jamarcus Davis revocation hearing. Mr. Davis, I'm gonna read violations to you. You're to plead guilty or not guilty with or without a statement. Then we will conduct the interview and see what happened, and then we will vote.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so say your name and DOC number, please, Mr. Davis.
Jamar Davis, DLC number 702198.
Okay, Mr. Davis, it is alleged you violated, okay, Mr. Davis, do you have your questionnaire with you? Your parole questionnaire?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want to proceed today without an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Davis, it is alleged you violated condition number 4 in that you committed battery of a dating partner on or about July 29th, 2024 in Caddo Parish. How do you plead to that charge?
Not guilty.
All right, and it's also alleged that you violated condition number 10 and that you're $650 behind on your supervision fees. How do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
All right, Mr. Davis, your case has been assigned to me. Mr. Davis, I'm going to tell you, I looked at all of the reports and I also looked at the camera footage. So tell the truth today, because I'm gonna tell you, if I think you're lying to me, it's not gonna end well.
Yes, sir.
All right, so tell the whole truth. First off, tell me what happened between you and the lady you were dating that day.
Man, we were really outside the apartment. We were arguing. We were arguing since last night because I really had got caught cheating at the same time. So when the daytime come, before I was about to get ready and go to work, she lingered around. Well, she ain't linger around. She came to my sister's house and we came outside the apartment. We were arguing. And when I go in the house, I went in the house. Somebody said the police knocked on the door, and they said something about they got a call about a domestic. And I was really lost. And that's when I got in the back seat. They put me in the back seat of the car. And I guess that's when they showed me what she said. They told me what she said. And then I was like, nah, I ain't hit her. I ain't do none of that. Then before you know it, they took me to jail.
Okay. How do you think she got that bruising on her face?
She got I found this out later after the fact about her son hitting her later on earlier that day. I ain't know nothing about that. She ain't had no bruise on her face when I seen her.
Okay.
Well, while I was with her.
Are you still with her?
Yes, sir.
So you still with her?
Yes, sir.
I know she's trying to change her story now, but I mean, like I say, we got film, and she claimed she was laying on the horn and you punched her. Now, I just need to know, did you put your hands on her?
No, sir. I really don't believe in putting my hands on female. And I ain't just trying to say it like this, but I'm really like a handsome guy. I don't feel like I gotta go through that with females to, you know, to keep a female around and all that extra stuff to do that. I wasn't raised that way.
Okay. All right, I do have to put in on the record on August 7th, 2024, the charge of simple battery of a dating partner was null pros by the city of Shreveport District Attorney's Office. So the charge has been null pros. Anything else you have to say for yourself?
I'm just ready to go home and get back to my little girl.
Okay. Were you drunk or high that day?
No, sir.
Okay, did you spend a night at her house before y'all came and she was dropping you off?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because you said she came to your apartment.
Yeah, because that's what
But
she was drop. Oh,
okay, but explain it to me, because
oh, yeah, because she
she
was
came to
dropping
your
me.
apartment, dropped you off, y'all got in that fight, and then you went inside your apartment.
Nah, it
That's
wasn't
what I
never.
saw.
It wasn't never a fight. I stayed with her that night, and when we got to the apartment in the morning time, we was still arguing because we had been arguing that night because she went through my phone. And in the
Mm-hmm.
midst of me going in the house, I was in there getting my work clothes ready because that's where my clothes at. And I'm finna get ready and go to work. And the police literally knocked on the door and said, "Who you is?" When I come outside, they walked me to her and she was like,
Yeah, I
"Yeah, that's
saw
him."
that. I got that. I got that. I saw
Oh,
him handcuff you and I saw you talking to him. Last but not least, where did you work?
at a mirror, I had a lawn. I used to cut grass, but I wasn't getting paid that much. So I really had found this job at this mirror shine car wash.
They're gonna hire you back if you don't get revoked today?
Yes, sir. I've been having my sister call every day, and they say they just waiting on me because they understand like things happen, and this was a whole misunderstanding.
Okay, do any of my colleagues have any questions?
I don't.
I don't have any question. No, I don't have any questions. I don't necessarily believe him, but I don't have any questions. What about the money? How come you hadn't paid the money back?
Man, when it comes to the paying part, ain't nobody just letting you stay in their house for free. So by me getting paid 150 almost every week from the cutting grass service, because I just started at the Mirashon, but I probably been working there like a week and a half. I ain't even get that paycheck yet. So with that, I gotta pay the people where I'm staying. Then I gotta pay half of the daycare for my little girl, and they want that every week. That's 150 every week. So it just when it comes to that, it was hard for me. It was kind of hard. Then ain't no like I was saying, ain't nobody just letting you stay for free.
As handsome as you are, they'd let you stay for free.
Nah, I ain't that handsome. I ain't that handsome.
All right.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Davis, this is one of those cases that's hard on us. And I have to vote first because you're going back around her. Um, and I'm kind of like Mr. Prater. I don't totally believe you. I think y'all had more than just a little argument. I saw the camera pointing to her face. I didn't see no busted up, no black eyes, anything, but they said she was swelling. Okay, my vote today is going to be, how long you been in jail?
60 days.
And how much longer you got on supervision?
My full term date is 2027.
2027?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, my vote today is going to be to not revoke you, but add the condition that you go to a anger management class. Okay?
Yes.
They'll have that. Your Shreveport officer will tell you where to go. They got a day reporting center, one of the best we have, right there in Shreveport. So you can go to that class, but you better complete that class. And I suggest that you and her go to counseling because this relationship isn't gonna last like this. Okay, y'all were dating 2 months and you claim you didn't even know she had an autistic child. So I mean that's kind of that's
Look, I ain't gonna lie. by us being, we only been together like 2 months, and I used to only really go over there at nighttime.
Okay, all right. But anyway, that's my vote today. All right, Mr. Prater?
How old is that autistic child? I know we threw the questions, but I just want to know that. How old is that child?
3 years,
according to the report.
3
3?
years up. Yes, sir.
Okay, I watched, and I don't believe what you're saying. I don't believe that I think she was domestically abused. I really do. My vote is to revoke.
Okay, Ms. Renatza?
Mr. Davis, my vote today also is to revoke. I'd also believe that even though she recanted, that there was something that occurred, domestic abuse. So my vote today is to revoke.
Mr. Davis, your parole has been revoked by a vote of 2-1. Good luck to you, sir. We have any more cases there? Okay, we'll be signing all out of Caddo at 9:21.
Well, that was nauseating. He really thought his self-proclaimed looks would save him, but as we saw, charm isn't a substitute for accountability. It's also a humbling reminder that no amount of arrogance can cover up the facts. Do you think relying on his appearance made his case worse, or was it the evidence that sealed his fate? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.